Well, that's kind of a drag, you know. I was really hoping that yarrow would be an effective bug repellent, but once again, I've been let down by the repeated fallacies of the internet and written word. Every time I stop to try and identify a plant, I just get assaulted, so there's no sense in bothering. I had several plants I wanted to try and identify using a couple field guides to test the field guide's ability as a field guide in the field, but I didn't get that opportunity because every time I stopped, the mosquitoes would just eat me alive. So now I'm headed back to the car. It's not too bad of a day for a hike, but you know, my real intent wasn't to just simply do a hike. I wanted to actually get out and put some stuff to the test, put my identification skills to the test, and hopefully harvest some wild edibles. But it's hard to do in the summertime with all the mosquitoes, man. You know, you need to be able to stop and closely observe the plant or mushroom in question, and it's hard to do that when you got mosquitoes flying in your eyeballs and up your nose and in your ears and in your mouth. Not to mention them biting you all over in the process. But that's, you know, that's part of being out in the woods, you know. Native Americans had remedies for mosquitoes and stuff, but most of those remedies would not be acceptable in modern society. Rubbing mud on yourself, or, you know, taking bear grease mixed with who knows what and rubbing that all over you. But that's life, you know. It's definitely something anybody considering trying to live in the wilderness or something like that should consider. Because around here in the summertime, if you don't have some kind of protection from the bugs, I believe that you could literally die overnight from if not from the bites themselves draining you of blood, then from the stress of it all, because it is unbearable. It looks so beautiful, but Mother Nature can be a real bitch.